I've written many Nexus letters for veterans with hip pain, and many of those veterans also have low back pain. In this video, I'll discuss the relationship of hip pain and hip injuries to issues with the lumbar spine and why they're frequently seen together in military veterans. My name is Dr. David Geier, orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and anti-aging and regenerative medicine expert. I help veterans by writing Nexus letters that argue that your orthopedic injuries are connected to your military training and service so you can get the compensation you deserve. The hip joint is one of the largest joints in the human body. Hip pathology and low back pain, like lumbar spine injuries, have been thought to be closely related. There was a study, it was a cross-sectional study or a review of cross-sectional studies involving athletes at least. And if you know me, you've heard me talk about how the military is basically, they're all athletes. So this would definitely apply. But in that study, researchers showed that athletes with low back pain had abnormal hip motion and abnormal hip function compared to athletes without low back pain. In a similar way, abnormal hip function can shift physical stresses abnormally to the lumbar spine, to the back, and cause injury to the lower back. And given the physical training and the other physical demands of people in the military members, they have very similar activity levels to athletes. This close relationship between hip injuries and low back injuries, we see that relationship very frequently when a veteran has chronic low back pain. His or her hip movements and motion are reduced. The muscles surrounding the hip joint become tense and become painful. In a similar way, when the veteran has hip pain or a hip injury, his or her lumbar spine might develop pain through abnormal motion and abnormal mechanics. If you have ideas for topics for future videos for this channel, whether it's surgeries, injuries, risk factors for injuries, DBQs, Nexus letters, really anything, leave those in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell to be notified when I release a new video. If you personally are interested in a Nexus letter for your injury or condition, click the link in the description below and you can learn more about working with me and working with my team. We do everything we can to make the process easy and quick for you. And I work hard to write a Nexus letter that gives you the best chance of success in your claim. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to helping you.